Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add an image gallery in Hostinger Websites Builder at 2026. So actually guys, as first you will need to open the Websites Builder, okay? So before that you will need of course to go to the hpanel.hostinger.com. You will need to make sure that you already logged in with your account, and then just go and click on the websites option on the left hand menu, okay, and then make sure that you are on the first option, websites list. After that, I do really want you just to locate the website that you want actually to edit, then just go and click on edit website. So then you will be forwarded into the builder.hostinger.com. It's the website builder, all right. So after that, I do want you to choose the page where you want the gallery or image gallery on, and then so I do want the page between this page and this one, okay? So I will just need to click on add section right here between them, and after that you will need to scroll here on the left hand menu and click on gallery. So for example, I will just go with this form, and here you will need to click on the gallery and just go with edit, okay? So where you can choose the layout, the items per row, gap between the photos, and etc. Okay, and if you really want to add your images or your galleries, you can just go with manage gallery, and here you can click on add images, and you will need just to choose the images from your PC or your computer files and drop them right here, okay? Or you can just drag and drop the images to upload them, as you can see. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.